Hi there, Mr. Automation is back again with some PowerShell actions, and again on parameters, and this time the ValidateRange parameter. So I promised to create a short video on that. So ValidateRange, what it does, it validates a range, right? So you can stick in some numbers, right? What I did here. It can be different as well, but now we do integers. And basically this means the number 1 until 1000, till 1000 is a valid number. Anything outside of that range is not valid. So you have like a script over a function, that accepts some input, and you want that value to be in a specific range. You can use this as an input parameter, right? And then your user cannot stick in a wrong value. Your script just won't run, with the wrong value. And how to use this? So test minus number. And then we stick in some numbers in integer, and 45 for instance, right? And I run the script and it echoes 45 of course to the screen. And if you now stick in number 1, it's also allowed, and if we do like 1000, that's allowed as well. But if we stick in like 1001, that's not allowed anymore, because the 1001 argument is greater than the allowed range. And perhaps I size this even a little bit more up. You see? Is greater than the allowed range. So let's stick in 0. Let's see what it says then. You see? It's less than the minimum allowed. You see? So we had like greater than the maximum and less than the minimum. So it's a pretty helpful message, to be honest. There is some noise here also in the message, but just notice the first line. You see? That's pretty clear. What's and the second line, supply an argument that's greater than or equal to 1 and try the command again. You see, so it already helps you a little bit, this error message. And if you stick like a negative value inside of that should be failing as well. You see, that fails as well. Minus 34 is less than. So that's it. Simple demo how to use validate range parameters inside of your function or PowerShell script. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next video. Bye bye.